Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. I especially welcome you to this tutorial on the MT4 Moving Average strategy. Okay, moving averages are one of the most widely used tools in technical analysis, and in this video we are going to break down exactly how to use them inside MetaTrader 4. So the first step is to understand what a moving average is. Okay, it's important. All right. So a moving average, just going to be adding it to the chart right now as I explain. It's a technical indicator that smooths out price data to show the overall direction of the market. All right. So instead of looking at every single price change, a moving average gives you a cleaner view of whether the market is trending up, trending down, or moving sideways. All right. Now, there are two common types of moving averages. They are not necessarily the only types, but they are the two most common types of moving averages. One is the simple moving average. The simple moving average, this, right, which calculates the average closing price over a chosen number of periods. And then we have the exponential, which is this, right? The exponential moving average, which gives more weight to recent prices, making it more responsive to market changes, right? So now, in case you do not know how to add a moving average in MT4, in order to do that, you just have to go to the insert menu at the top. You go to indicators, then you go to trend, all right, and then you select moving average. So from there, you can set the period, whether you want a 50 period moving average or a 20 or 200 or 100 or whatever. You just set it from here. All right. So once you are done setting the period for the moving average, you choose the type of moving average, whether you want a simple, an exponential, a smooth, a linear weighted, whatever. You select that from here. Okay. And then you also choose whether you want to apply to close the calculation. This one now is based on the calculation. Do you want the calculation to be based on the close price or the open price or the high price or low price or the median price, HL over 2, typical price, HLC over 3, or weighted close, HLCC over 4? So, well, close is one of the common options, right? So here you also select the color of the moving average that you want. Okay, select the color, you select the thickness, the kind of line first, and then the thickness, right? The thickness of the moving average, and then okay. All right, so it's super easy. Okay, once you have added the moving average, it's going to overlay on your chart, giving you an instant trend view. Okay, now a single moving average can help you identify the trend. For example, if price is consistently moving above a moving average, right? Price is consistently trading above a moving average. That suggests that the market is in an uptrend, like this example we can see here. Then if price is below it, consistently moving below it, it shows that the price is in a downtrend or the asset is in a downtrend. Now, many traders use the 50 period moving average as a standard way to spot medium-term trends. You can see this is the 50 period, right? Many traders actually use it to spot medium-term trends. Okay. Now, if you want to use multiple moving averages together, you can also do that. Okay. When using multiple moving averages, the strategy becomes, it becomes more powerful when you combine two or more moving averages. A popular example is using a short-term EMA, all right, like the 20, okay, alongside a longer-term EMA like the 50. So we already added the 50. Now I'm going to be adding the 20. So this is the 20 EMA. This is the 50 EMA. All right. So when the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, remember that in this case, the short-term moving average is the 20 EMA, the long-term moving average is the 50 EMA. All right. So when the short-term EMA crosses, above the long-term one, it can indicate a potential upward trend. All right. And on the other hand, when the short-term EMA crosses below the long-term EMA, it can suggest a possible downward trend. So these are often called moving average crossovers. Okay, it's called moving average crossovers. Now, another way to use moving averages is as dynamic support or resistance. In an uptrend, the moving average often acts like a floor. If you look closely, it acts like a floor where price bounces upward. Okay, you can see how price has been bouncing up, from the moving average, as the moving averages serve as a floor. Then in a downtrend, the moving averages serve as a ceiling where price bounces downward, as you can see. So this makes them useful for managing trades and planning your entries. All right. Now, if you are new to moving averages, it's a good idea to practice with them on a demo account first. Okay, try applying different periods and types of moving averages to see how they respond to market conditions. All right, the goal is to become comfortable with recognizing trends and crossovers before moving into live trading. Okay, do not be in a haste to fund a live account. It's important that you attain a level of consistency trading on your demo account first before migrating to a live account. All right, it's actually very important. Okay, whatever mistakes you're going to make those mistakes on the demo account first, then you proceed to a live account. Not like you're not still going to make mistakes on a live account. Okay, you will still likely make mistakes, but at least your mistakes are going to be limited, right? Perhaps they're going to be mostly emotional mistakes or whatever, but at least any technical mistake you should make the most of them on a demo account first. All right, then once you've mastered your strategy, you can then proceed to a live account. So that is a complete walkthrough of the MT4 moving average strategy. We've covered what moving averages are, the difference between simple and exponential, how to add them on MT4, and how traders use them to identify trends, crossovers, and dynamic support and resistance levels. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more Forex tutorials and strategies designed to help you grow as a trader. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.